Hello everyone, I'm Heather from iTalk You Talk Press. I'm going to read you a short story. It's called The Black Cat. I hope you enjoy it. Candice was an artist. She liked to paint pictures. She sent her paintings to an art shop. Sometimes people bought them, but Candice did not get a lot of money. Candice saved all her money and bought a house. She was very pleased. It was small and old, but it was cheap. Candice planted roses in the garden. She painted the walls of the house and made new curtains. For a few months it was perfect, but when winter came, it rained and rained. Water came through the roof. There was water on the floor. Her bed was wet. Candice called a builder. He came and looked at the house. "You need a new roof," he said. "How much will a new roof cost?" asked Candice. "Maybe $20,000 or $30,000, said the builder. Oh no. Candice was very worried. "I don't have the money." "I'm sorry," said the builder. "I can't help you." The builder went away. The house was very cold and wet. Candice put buckets and pots under the places where the rain was coming into the house. It was very difficult. One morning, when Candice woke up, there was a cat sitting on the table in the kitchen. The cat was black. "Where did the cat come from?" Candice thought. "I never saw that cat before." Candice put some milk in a bowl for the cat. She put some small pieces of meat on a plate for the cat. But the cat didn't eat anything. It sat on the table and looked at her. "This cat is very strange," thought Candice. "Who does this cat belong to?" Candice called her neighbour. "Hi," said Candice. "There is a cat in my kitchen. I never saw it before. Do you know someone who owns a black cat?" "No," said her neighbour. "Oh," said Candice. "I wonder where it came from. It doesn't want to eat. It just looks at me." "I wonder," said her neighbour slowly. "I think you should talk to the woman who owned your house before. Her name is Mrs. Watkins. I will give you her telephone number." Candice called Mrs. Watkins. "You don't know me," she said, "but I bought your house." "Yes," said Mrs. Watkins. "Is there a problem?" Candice didn't want to tell Mrs. Watkins about the holes in the roof, but she said, "There is a cat in the kitchen. I found it this morning. It doesn't want to eat. It doesn't move or make any noise. It just looks at me. I think it is very strange." Mrs. Watkins said, "I know about that cat. I saw it sometimes." "Does it mean bad luck?" asked Candice. "Oh no," Mrs. Watkins laughed. "It means the cat likes you. It is good luck to see that cat." "Thank you," said Candice. "You're welcome," said Mrs. Watkins. "Don't worry. The cat looks after the house. The cat likes you. Something good is going to happen." Candice made a cup of tea and went to sit in her living room. "I need something good to happen," thought Candice. "The roof has holes in it. There is water in the house. The carpets are wet. The floor is wet. I have buckets and pots all over the floor. They are full of water." Just then, the phone rang. Candice answered the phone. "Hello?" she said. It was the owner of the art shop. He was very excited. "Good news," he said. "They have built a big new hotel near here. The decorator for the hotel came to the shop this morning. He likes your pictures. He bought all your paintings I had in the shop. He wants more. He wants to put one of your paintings in every bedroom." Candice could not believe the news. When she finished talking to the owner of the art shop, she went to the kitchen. "I must thank that cat," she thought. But the cat was gone. I hope you enjoyed the story. If you would like to see the text, you can click the link below. See you in the next video.